Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove or add Bluetooth devices on Windows 11 computer. It's a very easy process, and let's go ahead and do that. So do a right click in your start icon and then go to settings. And at the left hand side where you have many options, and we need to go to this Bluetooth and devices, which is the third option from the top. So I will click on that. And the moment you do that, here you will find all the Bluetooth devices here which is connected, and if you want to add it, you can simply click on add device, and then if it's a keyboard, mouse, or any other like mic, you can add it and you can search it like this. All right, and if you want to remove it, you can simply find the connected devices right here. You can remove it. So if you are troubleshooting any Bluetooth device, you can remove it and then you can add it again if that Bluetooth device is working fine or not. All right, so this is how you can add the device, and also try to change the USB receiver if you're using any Bluetooth device. That shouldn't be here, and I hope you have fixed this issue. And if you still have issues, you do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.